In 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
We started the autonomous period with 3 of the robots immediately scoring on the Blue Alliance in that speaker, 46-13, with their 5-note score into their speaker for the Red Alliance. I believe 48-17 scored 2 in that autonomous period. We're racing across the field almost immediately with 55-83 trying to shoot the other team's speaker, blocking 46-13 from getting a note to score into their amp. 65-10 trying to score in that speaker as well. And 95-87 also on the Red Alliance being blocked by 55-84 as it zooms back across the field to score into an amp. We've got a very intense match here with 2 higher ranking robots on the Red Alliance. We've got 95-87 on the Red Alliance trying to pick up notes in the human player area, while 65-10 have a note stuck inside of their robot and cannot pick up other notes without risking penalties. 48-17's strategy seems to be picking up notes from the human player station, dragging them all the way across back to their blue side and shooting them on the ground for teammates to pick up and immediately score. A lot of great teamwork seen here today. 65-10 picking up notes and scoring them into the amp, along with 46-13 zooming across the field, the fastest robot today, I would say, and shooting into that speaker for the Red Alliance. 47-74 blocking 65-10, or attempting to, but unsuccessful. Both of them scoring in the red speaker. 95-87 are still trying to pick up notes from the human player station, but 46-13 and 65-10, their teammates are going back across the field in a matter of 3 seconds, but being blocked by Blue Alliance members. 47-74 is overwhelmed by the amount of robots on their side of the field. We've reached the last 20 seconds of the match. We seem to have an attempted 3-robot climb, and immediately Blue Alliance human player shooting immediately one of the nodes. We've got a trap inside of the Blue Alliance stage and a triple climb with a harmony. This is probably the most points we've seen today.
That was a good match. That was a seriously good match. Absolutely. Come on!